Hi, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be talking about risk and quality and configuration management as well. Kind of bundling those three topics together. We've talked a little bit about risk in the first section and the importance of managing risk. It's one of the main knowledge areas. It has become more and more obvious as the decades have gone on that managing risk is critical to success of technology projects. Only because they inherently come with so much risk that if you're not able to get your arms around it and sort of manage through it, then your odds of success are going to be slim. So, quality is really an element of scope in my mind. So we'll reach back a little bit into some scope discussions, but both of those elements kind of tie together. How much are you building into knowing it's going to work, and how much are you building into knowing you're going to get to the end? And that's really combining those into quality and risk. This week's going to run the same as we do. It's we're going to have an assignment. We're going to be making a risk register, kind of thinking through the problems that you think will be coming up in your program and detailing those out, talking about how to do that. Do a risk management plan, quality management plan for your project. And then also we're going to get some information from the project team through the simulation that we'll have to respond to, sort of appropriate to the module that we're studying this week. So quiz at the end of that. Let's go ahead and get started, and welcome to week 4.